Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting topics for all social media enthusiasts: the social media trends that will dominate in 2023. As you all know, social media platforms have been evolving at a rapid pace, and keeping up with the latest trends and updates is crucial for brands and individuals alike. Before we dive into the trends, let me start with an anecdote. Last week, I was scrolling through Instagram when I stumbled upon a post from a fashion blogger that caught my attention. The post was a simple photo of her posing in a new dress, but what caught my attention was the caption. She had written a lengthy and heartfelt message about how grateful she was to have a platform that allowed her to share her passion for fashion and connect with like-minded people. The post was not only beautiful, but it also got me thinking about the impact of social media on our lives and the trends that will shape our online experiences in the coming years. According to a recent study, there are over 4.2 billion active social media users worldwide, and this number is expected to grow to 4.9 billion by 2023. With such a massive user base, it's no wonder that social media is a vital part of our lives, and the trends that will dominate in 2023 will shape our online experiences like never before. Augmented reality, AR. Augmented reality, AR, will become mainstream. One of the biggest social media trends that will dominate in 2023 is the integration of augmented reality, AR, into social media platforms. AR is already being used in social media filters and lenses, but in 2023, we can expect it to become more advanced and widely used by brands and individuals. AR will provide an immersive and interactive experience for users and allow brands to showcase their products in a new and exciting way. Augmented reality, AR, has been around for a while, but in recent years, we have seen it become more advanced and integrated into social media platforms. In 2023, we can expect AR to become even more mainstream, with more brands and individuals using it to create immersive and interactive experiences for their audiences. One of the most significant advantages of AR is that it allows users to experience products in a new and exciting way. For example, a clothing brand can create an AR experience where users can try on their clothes virtually, see how they look, and make a purchase without ever leaving the app. Similarly, a furniture brand can create an AR experience where users can see how a piece of furniture would look in their home before making a purchase. AR is not limited to just product experiences. It can also be used to create engaging and interactive content. For example, an artist can create an AR experience where users can explore their artwork in 3D, allowing them to see the artwork from all angles and interact with it in a new and exciting way. Similarly, a musician can create an AR experience where users can attend a virtual concert, interact with the artist, and be a part of the experience. AR can also be used to create more engaging and interactive advertisements. Instead of traditional banner ads, brands can create AR experiences that allow users to interact with their products in a new and exciting way. This not only provides a better user experience but also increases engagement and brand awareness. Overall, AR has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with social media platforms. It allows us to create immersive and interactive experiences for users, providing a more engaging and exciting social media experience. In 2023, we can expect more brands and individuals to embrace AR and use it to create innovative and exciting content. Short-form video content will continue to rise. Short-form video content, such as TikTok and Instagram Reels, has been on the rise in recent years, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. With the average attention span of a social media user decreasing, short-form video content has become a popular and effective way for brands to capture the audience's attention. In 2023, we can expect to see more brands and individuals creating short-form video content to engage with their audience. Short-form video content has been gaining popularity in recent years, especially with the rise of platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. In 2023, this trend is expected to continue, with more brands and individuals using this format to create engaging and shareable content. One of the primary reasons for the popularity of short-form video content is the decreasing attention span of social media users. People are constantly scrolling through their feeds, and short-form videos provide a quick and easy way to grab their attention. These videos are usually between 15 to 60 seconds long and are designed to be entertaining, informative, or both. For brands, short-form video content is an effective way to reach a younger and more engaged audience. This format allows brands to showcase their products or services in a creative and engaging way, making it easier to connect with potential customers. Moreover, brands can use short-form videos to tell their brand story, share behind-the-scenes footage, or launch new products, helping to keep their audience engaged and informed. Individuals can also benefit from creating short-form video content. For content creators, short-form videos offer a quick and easy way to create content that is shareable and engaging. Moreover, this format allows creators to experiment with different types of content, such as dance challenges, lip syncing, and comedy sketches, making it easier to build a following and grow their audience. Short-form video content is expected to continue its rise in popularity in 2023. With the average attention span of social media users decreasing, this format offers a quick and easy way to capture the audience's attention. Whether you're a brand or an individual, short-form video content can be an effective way to engage with your audience, share your story, and grow your following. So, don't be afraid to experiment with this format and see how it can help you connect with your audience in new and exciting ways. Personalization will be key. In the past, social media platforms have been criticized for their lack of privacy and data protection. In response, social media platforms are focusing on personalization, allowing users to have more control over their feeds and the content they see. In 2023, we can expect social media platforms to continue this trend, providing users with a more personalized experience. The rise of niche social media platforms. With so many social media platforms out there, it can be overwhelming to choose which one to use. In 2023, we can expect to see the rise of niche social media platforms, catering to specific interests and communities. These platforms will provide a more targeted and personalized experience for users, allowing them to connect with like-minded people and share their passions. Social media platforms have become an integral part of our lives, and with so many options to choose from, it can be challenging to find the right platform that fits our interests and needs. In 2023, we can expect to see the rise of niche social media platforms, which cater to specific interests and communities. These platforms provide a more targeted and personalized experience for users, allowing them to connect with like-minded people and share their passions. Niche social media platforms can vary from platforms that cater to a specific hobby, such as gaming or cooking, to platforms that cater to specific communities, such as LGBTQ+ or mental health. These platforms offer a more focused approach to social media, providing users with content that is relevant to their interests and passions. Moreover, these platforms often have a tighter-knit community, making it easier to connect with like-minded people and build meaningful relationships. For brands, niche social media platforms offer a unique opportunity to reach a specific audience. Brands can use these platforms to target their marketing efforts towards a specific community or interest group, making it easier to connect with potential customers. Moreover, by creating content that is relevant and valuable to their audience, brands can build a more engaged and loyal following. Another advantage of niche social media platforms is the level of customization and personalization they offer. These platforms often have features and tools that cater to the specific needs and interests of their users, making the user experience more enjoyable and engaging. Moreover, these platforms allow users to express themselves in a more authentic and meaningful way, which can lead to a stronger sense of community and belonging. The rise of niche social media platforms is an exciting trend to watch out for in 2023. These platforms offer a more targeted and personalized experience for users, making it easier to connect with like-minded people and share their passions. For brands, these platforms offer a unique opportunity to reach a specific audience and build a more engaged and loyal following. Whether you're a user or a brand, niche social media platforms can provide a more enjoyable and authentic social media experience. Social commerce will become more prevalent. Social commerce is the integration of e-commerce into social media platforms, allowing users to purchase products directly from the platform. In 2023, we can expect to see social commerce become more prevalent, with more brands and individuals using social media to sell their products. Social commerce will provide a seamless and convenient shopping experience for users, making it easier for them to discover and purchase products they love. Social commerce has been on the rise in recent years, and it's not showing any signs of slowing down. In fact, it's predicted to become even more prevalent in 2023. Social commerce is the integration of e-commerce into social media platforms, allowing users to purchase products directly from the platform without having to leave the app. The rise of social commerce can be attributed to the changing behavior of consumers, who are increasingly using social media platforms to discover new products and make purchase decisions. Social media platforms provide brands with a unique opportunity to connect with their target audience and build relationships with potential customers. By integrating e-commerce into social media platforms, brands can provide a seamless and convenient shopping experience for their customers, making it easier for them to discover and purchase products they love. In 2023, we can expect to see more brands and individuals using social media to sell their products. Social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook already have built-in e-commerce features, such as shoppable posts and in-app checkout, making it easier for brands to sell their products directly to their followers. Moreover, with the rise of short-form video content, we can expect to see more brands using video to showcase their products and drive sales. Social commerce also provides opportunities for smaller businesses and independent creators to reach a wider audience and build their brand. With social commerce, they can easily sell their products directly to their followers without having to set up their own e-commerce website. Social commerce is a trend that will continue to dominate in 2023. With the changing behavior of consumers and the increasing importance of social media in our lives, integrating e-commerce into social media platforms is becoming more important for brands to succeed. Social commerce provides a seamless and convenient shopping experience for users, making it easier for them to discover and purchase products they love. For brands, social commerce provides a unique opportunity to connect with their target audience and build relationships with potential customers. Conclusion. And there you have it, 5 social media trends that will dominate in 2023. As social media continues to evolve and grow, it's important that we stay up to date with the latest trends and updates. These trends not only provide exciting opportunities for brands and individuals but also showcase the potential of social media to connect and inspire people. So, what does this mean for us as social media users? It means that we need to stay adaptable, creative, and innovative in our approach to social media. Whether you're a business owner, content creator, or casual user, these trends present new opportunities to engage with your audience, grow your following, and make a positive impact. Remember, social media is a powerful tool that can connect us with people from all over the world, inspire change, and foster creativity. As we look to the future, let's embrace these trends and use them to make a positive impact on the world. Thank you for watching, and if you have any thoughts or comments on these trends, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. We'll see you in the next one.